A blinking white light on your Xfinity doorbell indicates it's in pairing mode. This means the doorbell is trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network via the Xfinity Home app. This usually happens after a reset, power outage, or if the device loses its Wi-Fi connection. Knowing this is the first step to fixing the issue. Before diving into more complex solutions, try these quick fixes. First, ensure your Xfinity internet is working properly. Next, power cycle the doorbell by holding the reset button, usually on the back, for 10 to 15 seconds. This clears previous pairings and enters setup mode. Finally, check the doorbell's battery level. A low battery can sometimes trigger pairing mode, as the device may attempt to reconnect when power is insufficient. These initial steps often resolve the blinking white light issue quickly. The primary method for fixing the blinking white light is through the Xfinity Home app. Open the app and navigate to your list of connected devices. Select the doorbell from your device list and choose the option to remove or delete it from the app. Follow the app's instructions to re-add the doorbell. Scan the QR code on the device or enter the serial number found on the doorbell. Wi-Fi considerations, frequency and signal strength. Your Xfinity doorbell needs a stable Wi-Fi connection to function correctly. While it can connect to both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, 5 GHz is preferred for video streaming. However, ensure the signal strength is strong enough, ideally above -50 dBm. Weak Wi-Fi can cause the doorbell to disconnect and re-enter pairing mode. Physical obstructions and electronic interference can disrupt the Wi-Fi signal. Try relocating the doorbell away from metal doors or walls. Other devices emitting strong radio frequencies can also interfere. Experiment with moving the doorbell slightly to optimize the connection. Keep your Xfinity doorbell's firmware updated. Xfinity regularly releases updates to improve reliability and fix bugs that can cause pairing issues. Recent updates like version 2.4.1 have reduced blinking white light problems by up to 30%. The Xfinity Home app usually handles these updates automatically, but it's worth checking to ensure your device is running the latest version. Look for update notifications in the app's device management section. These firmware updates provide significant benefits, including enhanced security with quantum-resistant encryption and AI-driven diagnostics that can preempt pairing failures. Always install updates promptly to maintain optimal doorbell performance. If you're using a mesh Wi-Fi network, ensure it's properly optimized. A mesh network uses multiple interconnected nodes to provide wider coverage and better signal strength throughout your home. Sometimes, the doorbell may struggle to switch between different nodes in the mesh network, causing connectivity issues. Consider using the Xfinity app to prioritize the doorbell's connection to the nearest, strongest node. This optimization helps maintain a stable connection. If you've tried all troubleshooting steps and the white light continues to blink, it's time to contact Xfinity support. There might be an underlying hardware issue or a problem with your Xfinity account that requires professional assistance. Have your account information and doorbell's serial number ready when you call.